Are you feeling weighed down by the grind of the traditional 9-to-5 job? Do you want some extra cash or a fulfilling side hustle? Or perhaps you simply in search of a career that allows for greater flexibility in your schedule. If any of this resonates with you, then you're in the right place. Welcome to Bookkeeping Life, where we empower individuals like you to learn, start, and grow their very own bookkeeping business, giving you the freedom and the flexibility and independence you desire. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Jeff Dean, and along with my wife Dawn, we took ownership of Bookkeeping Life from its founder, Steve Chrysler, about a year ago. Steve built an exceptional platform designed to assist people in starting their own bookkeeping business, and we're excited to continue growing and enhancing what he initiated back in 2018. It's important to note that this program isn't brand new. It's already helped hundreds of people embark on their bookkeeping journeys. Let me share a little bit about our background. Don and I met in college and have been happily married for almost 3 decades. We're proud parents of 2 adult children, and our son just recently graduated college and our daughter just recently tied the knot, so it's been an eventful time in our lives these last couple months. Both of us have experience running a successful small business. I also enjoyed a career in the corporate world, where I climbed the corporate ladder. However, that often translated into long hours, lack of flexibility, with the income being dictated by somebody else. Recognizing this, I decided to step away from the traditional work environment and join Dawn in her bookkeeping business. It's turned out to be one of the best choices I've ever made. Dawn's journey into bookkeeping began like many of yours, in a place of uncertainty with no clients and no clear direction. But over the past 20 years, she's built a thriving bookkeeping practice that has afforded her the very flexibility we aim to share with all of you. Imagine how valuable it would have been for her to have a program like Bookkeeping Life to guide her through when she was starting out. Unfortunately, Steve hadn't started the program yet. So why consider a bookkeeping career, especially now? First, there are over 33 million registered businesses in the United States, and a staggering 98% of them are classified as small businesses, what you're looking for. So that's right, you have 33 million opportunities for bookkeepers to thrive. If that doesn't pique your interest, I don't know what will. Another significant advantage of starting your own bookkeeping business now is the autonomy to set your own hours. In this day and age, I can't stress enough how impactful this is. For instance, when our kids were younger, Dawn was able to adjust her schedule to take them to doctor's appointments or be there for school functions or be at home when they needed them. And for us, that was the kind of work-life balance that we were looking for and was invaluable. And it's one of the primary reasons we dedicated ourselves to bookkeeping. Picture this. With a bookkeeping business, you can work from virtually anywhere. Imagine earning an income while enjoying the serenity of the mountains or the relaxation of the beach, or even having a freedom to travel abroad while you're still managing your clients' accounts. Once you're trained, all it takes is a laptop, some accounting software like a QuickBooks Online, and an internet connection. You're not confined to the home office or a corporate cubicle. You have the world as your workspace. Now you might be wondering, why should I choose Bookkeeping Life over the other options available out there? And that's a great question. When we decided to purchase Bookkeeping Life, our goal was to help others create their own bookkeeping business that would lead to the freedom, the flexibility, and independence that we've experienced. We evaluated various platforms and found that Bookkeeping Life aligns perfectly with the values and beliefs that we have. At Bookkeeping Life, we offer comprehensive resources to set you up for success, from QuickBooks training to support with branding and marketing. In truth, we didn't find another program that offered all these essential components, which is precisely why we chose Bookkeeping Life. When you join this community, you're not just signing up for a course, you're gaining a support system. We understand the fears and challenges that come with starting a business, and we're here to guide you through every step of the way. The resources we provide, including extensive library of training materials and community support, are simply second to none. Speaking of offerings, let's touch on 2 key packages we currently provide. First, there's a branding bundle, which includes your logo creation, your website creation, and business card templates. And then we have our training bundle, which features QuickBooks training and our Learn, Start, and Grow series, which covers crucial topics such as acquiring your first client and how to manage and expand your business. You'll also gain access to hundreds of Zoom trainings that we've been compiling since 2018. When you become part of Bookkeeping Life community, you'll have access to the forums where you can start to interact with other members. You can ask questions and gain inspiration from shared experiences. We strive to create a welcoming environment where everyone feels supported. So if this sounds intriguing and you're ready to take the next step, head on over to Bookkeeping Life and explore the bundle options that suit your needs. Don't forget to sign up for our mailing list. We send out weekly emails that are filled with valuable tips, insights, and industry knowledge. And as a token of our appreciation for you joining the mailing list, we'll provide you with a vital roadmap titled Bookkeeper's Roadmap to Building a Business, which is designed to kickstart your journey. Should you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to me directly at jeff@bookkeepinglife.com. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like or subscribe button below. We have exciting new content and training coming your way soon. Thank you for stopping by, and we hope to see you as part of the Bookkeeping Life community soon.